This is the bill that he has given me. I have a surprise for you. I'll tell you.
In first service, we do only general checkup. We don't replace any of the parts.
Okay. The underbody checkup has already been done, and probably they are taking care of the other things now. Probably they're going to check if there is any sound or any other issues. This is his side profile. Okay, with me is Sarvana, who is the representative here, who is assisting me with my first car servicing, and he is going to tell us about the list of everything that we will be covering as part of the first service. So I am taking you to Sarvana here.
First service, that is in first service we do only general checkup. We don't replace any of the parts.
Okay.
The parts get replaced in every 10,000 kilometers.
Okay.
So now we check for engine oil level, coolant
Okay.
level, brake oil level,
Okay.
and in your engine compartment, is there any abnormality?
Okay.
By through rat something.
Okay. Okay.
And we check for underbody, lower arm, shockers,
Okay.
and silencers, bolt nuts, everything, along with the brake paddles. And at last we do take a test drive of 3 kilometers.
Okay.
336 kilometers.
Okay.
At the time of the test drive, if we find any kind of a noise, something,
Okay.
we just check it out and inform you.
Okay.
And based on that, we work as well.
Okay, sir. So put together, there is no major changes. Just that we just check that if the car is working fine, if everything is all fine. And also, can you tell about the body wash? And we were just having a conversation. You said that there are rules that will not be having any body wash and other things. We'll just have dry wash. In dry wash, what do you do, Sarvana?
So we have a chemicals.
Chemicals.
For
Okay.
body and plastic
Okay.
parts
Okay.
and tires and different kind of for
Okay.
particular parts
Okay.
and for particular
Okay.
chemicals.
Okay.
So by through using that, we spray through the body and we have a microfiber cloth.
Okay.
It is being recommended by Kia as well.
Okay.
So through that cloth we wipe it. So
Okay.
what was the quality we are getting,
Yeah.
same quality you will get like 99%.
Okay. Okay. So to the viewers, I would also like to tell that this is part of the service, right?
Yes,
You're not
yes.
going to charge anything
No,
extra
no.
for this. Okay, fine. So regarding the service and other things, guys, we can see later. And for now, this is it. Thank you so much, Sarvana. Thank you. Okay, now they are taking the car on a spin for 3 kilometers, as Sarvanan has said. So probably they're going to check if there is any sound or any other issues, and then once after they have taken it for a spin and they come back. So if there are no issues, then we are all done, I believe, or might be they go up with the next process of whatever is part of the servicing. Okay, my boy is back from this short spin, and I'm sure my boy should have done good. He has not at all disappointed me in all the rides that I have done till now. I'll make a small video of all the other short rides that I've done, and here goes my boy. Oh, stunning. He looks awesome. This is his side profile. I believe I've not shown his side profile till now, even in my previous video, and here he goes. Can't stop admiring my boy. You know, one issue with this service center here is, there you see this wall here. There is the same set of equipments also behind this wall, but probably might be they use this part of the service center for some part of the checks, and right behind might be there are some set of other things where they used to check the other part of the vehicle here. However, I can't see where is my boy. When I came here, the guys here just thought that I'm here for a normal service just like the others, but they did not know that I would want to make video of the first service and also put it for my viewers to know what things are covered, to anyone who is not aware of how the first service is. So when I started blogging, when I started taking videos, I think I embarrassed some people here. This is something that I want to tell the other YouTubers, that if in case you're making videos, please respecting his work. Keep the representatives here, the management here informed that you are a YouTuber and you would want to make videos. They really respect the fact. They do not deny or anything. Just that if you haven't informed them, they just get embarrassed that somebody else is trying to videotape. But however, when I explained that I have a channel and I try to make videos for my viewers, that is when the management here was really cool. And they also asked me to get inside, and they gave me the reason that the reason why they were not letting customers inside is because of coronavirus pandemic, and because of that, respecting the fact of coronavirus and pandemic, I'm not going inside now, though they have let me get inside to videotape. However, I'm trying to take as much as possible from this customer launch. As I just said, there is a wall here, and there are some set of tools this side and some set of tools on the other side of the wall. So from here, I'm not able to see what's happening. Let's just wait. Okay, guys, the servicing is done. It was really not comfortable to vlog inside of this service center, so I've just got the car outside. It looks a perfect location, less noise, I hope, and also quite peaceful, so easy to vlog. The car is more shining now. So probably the dry wash that Sarvana was talking about has really worked out well. I can see that even the rims are shining than before, the alloy wheels, and even the entire body part has more shine than before. So I'll just walk you through the entire car before I can get inside. Yeah, so this is how it looks from the front. I can see some chemical here which they have used, and this one actually is left over, but I can see that the dust is gone. Now it really looks very shiny. So these gaps were there before also, this one also, and this is now more shinier than before. I'm stressing on the word shinier because I had washed this car and they have done this dry wash. Even though I had washed this car, after the dry wash I can still see that there is a lot of shine, so I really like that. This is how it is now from the back. Okay, let me quickly get inside and show you how it looks inside now. Yeah, all this is same, not much of difference, but still they have touched it little bit with whatever part of their wash. I believe it is good. The mats are now shinier than before. Yeah, I drove till here and I could see that the car was more responsive now than before. So whatever was done as part of the first service, the setup changes that they said they'll be doing as part of this was really good. I liked it. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, this is my GoPro. Fine, all dust particle they have removed. So this is just the cleanliness. Now when I drove till here, it was really responsive. I liked it. The clutches are all new, so no much difference of clutches, but however the engine response when you release the clutch and when you accelerate, the way it moves ahead, it was really good. I really liked it. I am able to make the difference now because after having had a chance to drive this car for 1000 kilometers, I can make the difference of how the vehicle is responding. Now that the key is inside, so let us quickly start the vehicle. Okay, the system check is happening. See, 942 kilometers, close to 1000, not bad. And the one on top here, it says 169 kilometers is the range. That means for the fuel in the car, this car can now go for 169 kilometers. This is the average. Now there are more options here, I'll tell you, but this average is the accumulated average. Yeah, which means from the day you have taken the car till today, the total average of this vehicle is 14.8. so yes, on the first day this car had given me an average of almost 23 on the highway, because that was the first ride with this new car and with very less traffic that gave me so much. But now after having after having ridden this car for 1000 kilometers, even though I've taken most of the time on the highways, still the average that it is giving me is 14.8, which is because now I rode in traffic. Otherwise on highway it gave me 16. Now this is the bill that he has given me. I have a surprise for you, I'll tell you. Now the entry that he has made in the book, let me quickly show it to you. These are the manuals and these are all my bills. This is his card. I'll also show you the card so that you can contact this person. Yeah, so here it is. Yeah, so here it is, the The delivery date, you can see I took this vehicle on 7th, service date 31st, so less than a month. And yes, this is the person. You can reach him if in case there are anything that you want. He is the service advisor I was talking about, the representative Sarvanan who spoke with me. Quite gentle people here. They respected when I was taking the video. Okay, so this is the bill. This is the surprise I was talking about. I am now going to disclose you the price for the first servicing. See, he has done an accelerator, pedal, noise and rust service. Yeah, which means you've seen if there is any kind of rust or anything on the vehicle, and he has charged nothing for that because this is the first service, and he has done a free service. That means all the car wash and whatever servicing or the checks that they have done, they have not costed anything for that. And he also gave me a list of what he has done. I could not take a photocopy of that, but however, they did not charge me anything for the first service, and that is actually the surprise I wanted to tell you. So guys, this is Taapsee Motors service center. I'll put a location of the service center in the bio, so feel free to talk to this representative. And also, if you're owning a Seltos car, do drop by, because I like the service here. This is my personal opinion, and even everybody was there polite and quite happy going and friendly. So this is the review of my first service. I'm also planning to make a video on the overview of this vehicle for you to enjoy that video, and also to see if there is anything that you might have missed in other videos. My previous video, if you have not seen, it is taking delivery of this vehicle. Many people have liked it, and many people have commented and put their views, and they've asked me to make a video of the complete overview of this car, which I'll be making very soon. And if there is anything else that you want me to make video, please do let me know. And if you found that this video was helpful to you, then please comment. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching till here. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.